drive-proof DP210 self-contained, easy-to-install black box car camera system. The integrated forward-viewing camera captures video from the driver's perspective. Internal rear-view camera monitors vehicle's interior. You never know when an important event may happen. Recording interior audio is simple with the integrated microphone. Record verbal exchanges or sounds which might be helpful in the case of an emergency. Included PC Viewer software provides access to all the recorded video and information in one easy-to-use interface. Logs GPS location for viewing on a map or satellite view within the PC Viewer software. See a moving map or satellite view of the path travelled. Gyroscope can be triggered by physical G-forces or changes in pixels. A great feature for those of us that had something stolen from our vehicle or being the victim of someone hitting our car while it was parked. Integrated GPS system monitors speed that may be displayed during playback. Date and time logging will allow you to pinpoint the exact time and date of your recordings. With a single click of a button, you can generate a printable report for the police or insurance company. SD card can be secured with a special tiny screw to prevent tampering. Protect your recordings with this new security feature. Mute audible warning tones with the press of a button.